Thinking of visiting a beauty clinic? These phrases will save you and make you sound more polite and confident with the doctor.
So, Sophia, after examining your skin, I agree that Botox would be very effective for those fine lines around your eyes and forehead. We would use a very precise and minimal amount to achieve that natural, refreshed look you're after.
That sounds good, Doctor. What about the PRP you mentioned? What would that involve for my skin?
PRP, or platelet-rich plasma, is a wonderful option for improving overall skin tone and texture. We draw a small amount of your blood, process it to concentrate the platelets, which are rich in growth factors, and then re-inject it into specific areas of your face. These growth factors stimulate collagen production, improve blood supply, and help rejuvenate the skin from within.
So it uses my own blood? That sounds quite natural. What are the benefits I might see?
You can expect to see improved skin elasticity, a reduction in fine lines and mild wrinkles, a more even skin tone, and an overall brighter and healthier complexion. It's also a great treatment for reducing mild acne scars and promoting tissue repair.
How many sessions would someone usually need for PRP?
For optimal results, we typically recommend a series of 3 to 4 treatments, spaced about 4 to 6 weeks apart. After the initial series, many people opt for maintenance treatments once or twice a year to sustain the benefits.
And what about the downtime for PRP? Is it similar to Botox?
The downtime for PRP can be slightly more than Botox. You might experience some mild redness, swelling, or bruising in the treated areas, which usually resolves within 1 to 3 days. We provide you with detailed aftercare instructions to minimize any potential side effects.
Okay, that's helpful to know. Now I'm trying to decide which treatment to start with. Would you recommend Botox first for the lines and then consider PRP for overall skin health?
That's a very reasonable approach. Botox targets the muscle movement that causes wrinkles, while PRP focuses on improving the underlying quality and health of your skin. Many patients find that combining these treatments over time gives them the best results. However, we can certainly start with one and see how your skin responds before considering the other. What feels most comfortable for you right now?
I think I'd like to start with Botox, focusing on the lines that bother me the most. We can then discuss PRP at my next appointment.
Excellent. That sounds like a great plan. We can proceed with the Botox today, if you're ready, or we can schedule it for another day that's more convenient for you.
I think I'm ready to do it today.
Wonderful. Nurse Emily will come in shortly to prepare you for the procedure. It will be quick and relatively comfortable. Do you have any other questions for me before we begin?
No, I think you've answered everything. Thank you, Doctor.
You're welcome, Sophia. I'm confident you'll be happy with the results.